Time to get up, brush your teeth, and open some packaging. Today we're going to unbox Quip. So Quip is another direct-to-consumer online brand that sells oral hygiene products. I don't know the extent of what they sell, but toothbrushes has kind of been the main jam. I'm sure they have other products around it. Again, this was somebody from the studio brought this in. And yeah, I think first thing to note here before we dig in is this paperboard envelope that it came in. Some cool, simple printing on it. And yeah, this, I believe, is just the refill kit, not the primary kit. But yeah, the little peel here. Peel here. There we go. I'm new at this. Cool. Okay, so what we've got here looks to be a paperboard insert with some, it's like a okay, you can put 3 inserts or things in it. Yeah, and these are just replacement brush heads. So there's a little booklet here that talks about how to replace that. That was in this little windowed section here. Nice little mouth and tongue logo there. And then these little tubes here are the replacement heads. And some other stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of things in here. Okay, there's batteries in there as well. A battery that comes, must be for each, looks like for each head there's a battery that's also included. And then there is just a little paper tube with some print on it, and then a little green cap that is, oh, that's kind of cool. This, the little cap is actually also paper. I was expecting it to be like a little plastic tube or a little plastic cap that was slid into the end of this tube, but instead it is like 2 layers of some thick paperboard, one extra thick here that goes into the tube, and then a little thinner layer here on the outside. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but that is a pretty clever way of designing that tube end. And ultimately, you know, interestingly, they appeared to have kind of avoided plastics in almost everything, but they're making a disposable brush head out of plastic. It is, I don't know if it's a TPE, looks like, a thermoplastic rubber basically that's overmolded, and some of these bristle heads here, as well as this back like tongue scrubber thing, is TPE, and then the rest is some other type of plastic. So it's very well made, well designed. But this is interesting, the way that they did the tube ends on here. And I think just a great presentation overall. Cool graphics, stayed on brand with color, and yeah, simple refill kit. They've done a nice job with that. If there are other brands or products that you think we should unbox and dissect, let us know.